Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the news today we have Chat GPT that is actually giving error messages. A lot of users are getting error 429 when trying to use the AI tool, and this is due to apparently a DDoS attack, or a distributed denial of service attack. So the group behind it is seemingly the same group that is behind the Microsoft DDoS attacks earlier this year. And basically, this means that they are active and trying to flood Chat GPT website with requests. So the error 429 simply says too many requests are received. So Chat GPT did come, and OpenAI did come forward and say, yep, we are right now in the middle of a distributed attack, and that we're trying to mitigate it. So there are different ways that they can mitigate, and eventually it will be done. So if you were trying to get Chat GPT to work or anything related to it, there could be some issues. Now, the group Anonymous Sudan, of course, still active and trying to disrupt a lot of different services, especially in the United States. So this is kind of an ongoing thing. Usually what they use, a lot of people think distributed denial of attacks are done with super massive computers. In reality, they're done with small PCs in everybody's home that are probably not patched with any security updates, and for example, a lot of them running Windows 7. And that also Internet of Things devices, it might look very innocent and not very powerful, but they can actually be part of millions, if not billions, of devices that send out requests at the same time, just at the command of the group. So things should be coming back to normal at some point, but it shows you that there are some groups out there that are active and trying to disrupt the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.